Hey, what's up guys? My name is Chris Winter. Now in this video, I want to share with you a few of the best affiliate marketing programs for complete beginners. Now, entering the affiliate marketing world can be a little bit daunting because there are so many programs out there that you can kind of promote, but to be fair, a lot of them are really dodgy. So what I'm going to be sharing with you are a few of the affiliate programs that I actually use myself and what I would recommend because they have, really trusted companies and they're not kind of these quick money-making kind of schemes which are really dodgy. These are actually going to be good programs for you to start off with that are actually quite easy to get started with, even if you are a complete beginner. Hey, by the way, if you're new to my channel, I just want to say a big welcome. I make easy to follow videos on things like starting online businesses, making money online, affiliate marketing, personal finance, and more. My goal on this channel is to help you build multiple streams of passive income, which is something that I've been fortunate enough to do myself. So, if you're into any of these topics, please subscribe now. And I'd also love it if you could hit that like button on this video as it really helps out this channel. All right, so let's talk about some of the best affiliate programs to get started with if you're just a beginner in this affiliate marketing world. We'll just get right into it. The first one that I would recommend is Amazon Associates. And I've been a member of this for 5 or 6 years now, and it was my main source of income for a really long time. It's a fantastic program and super easy to get into. So essentially all you need to do these days to get in is pretty much either have a YouTube channel or a website. It used to be that you only could have a website to get in, but now I'm pretty sure that they're very much more relaxed on it because they want a lot of influencers coming in. So you can earn up to 10% on the Amazon Associates program. To be fair, it's actually a lot less than this generally. You're going to be looking at around about a 4%, maybe up to around about 8% for most products. Let's say for cameras, it's 4%. For microphones, for example, they go up to 8% because they're a musical instrument, but it really just does depend on what you are going to be promoting. So let's take a look at my Amazon Associates account, and you can have a look at the back end. I don't mind showing you this. This is one of the reasons why I really like Amazon is because you can see that you can really earn quite a lot of money through this program, even if you're not putting out that much content. So this is mainly linked to my main photography channel, and that's where I promote it. And you can see like today I made $208 through 2,000 clicks. Yesterday I made 108. The day before I made 208 again. This day here, I made $318, and I also made $8 in bounties. Now, what are bounties? Well, they're essentially a little bonus you get if someone signs up for a program, and generally these are going to be for Audible. So that's one of Amazon's own products, and it's a big product that they have. So you might get around about $4 for each of those bounties. Actually, I can have a quick look here. We had another one here for $5. It could also be for Amazon Prime Video and maybe even Amazon Prime as well. So you can see that it does fluctuate a fair bit, and you'll also see that with the Amazon Associates program coming into October, November, and December, you can get some really fantastic earnings. Now, that's because Christmas is coming up, people are searching for products and buying things with Amazon. And I want to make this clear, one of the best things about Amazon is that the way that their cookie works is that if someone clicks on your link on, say, a YouTube video or on a blog or something like that, whatever they buy within the next 24 hours, you make a commission on. So that would mean that, let's say I review a camera and someone clicks on that link, but they don't end up buying that camera. But if they buy anything else on Amazon in that 24 hours, I'm going to get a commission on that. So it can be fantastic, just the amount of things that people buy on Amazon. Let's take a look at some of my reports for last year. So it's currently 2019, but I want to show you how much I made last year on Amazon and what you can make. And if you follow my channel and my tips, hopefully you'll be able to make some of these kind of earnings as well. So you can see in January last year, I was able to make around about nearly $10,000, then $8,000, $10,000 again in March, $8,000. And you can see it dropped off a little bit here because I was putting a lot of work into this new channel. But you can really make a decent amount of money on Amazon. In fact, I don't really know that many people who, maybe make this much. I know that there are some, but I haven't seen them on YouTube yet. You can see that 88,000 of this were in the fees, so they were in people actually buying the products. And then you can also see the bounties, which again are those things like Amazon. Oh, here we go. We can actually take a look. Prime Video channel, Prime Video sign up 163. I got $3 for each of them, and then $489 in total. Audible free trials, 58 referrals, and I got $5. And it's funny, with Amazon, I think that with the Audible, they don't even have to sign up for the full plan, if I just get them in, you can make $5, which is quite a lot. In the Prime plan for the students, I got 50 signups. Kindle, 10. Twitch Prime, so that's people signing up for Twitch. I got 10 of them, and again, they're coming in at $3. You can see actually someone signed up for an Audible membership and I got $10 off that. So most of these Audible ones, you get actually $5 for them to sign up for a free trial, which is pretty sweet. But of course, bounties are only a very small amount of what I was making. Now, I wish I could show you 2017 because that was my biggest year with Amazon because I was really heavily pushing Amazon through my photography channel. It was actually a lot more than this. So it's totally possible to make a lot with the Amazon Associates program. It really is fantastic. And you can actually see, if we go down here, I want you to have a look at this. If we look at fees, and then we go, these are my tracking links. So you can actually put a kind of a tracking tag essentially in your thing. So you can see exactly where, what is coming through. And if I go to earnings, and let's, for example, just click on this one here, which is one of my tracking tags, you can see what people are actually buying through your affiliate links. So let's take a look. So if I go to revenue, you can actually see that last year I brought in over $2 million revenue through Amazon Associates, which is pretty crazy. It's a lot. And then from there, these were all of the things that people bought. So, I referred 296 sales of this lens, 279 of this one, SD card, 184. And we can actually go down here and you can see that this is a camera here. And I got 4% for it. And I actually sold 97 of these DSLRs and 91 of these DSLRs. And from there, it was over $2,000 just from that one DSLR alone, which is pretty cool. And again, more DSLRs. This is why I think that if you have a really solid niche like photography, it can be great. But you can also see that this one here had a 5.6% rate. So that was a microphone. Again, like I was saying before, you get more for microphones, but 2.5% here for a SanDisk microphone, not microphone, SD card, which isn't as much because it's an electronic. And again, we've got 2.5 here. Now, obviously I could go a lot further in here. I think there are thousands upon thousands of things that people have bought, but you really can see, all the way down here, someone's bought this Canon PowerShot. 24 of them were sold last year. And you can actually see the prices of what people have bought. I wonder if I can, no, I can't actually do that descending. This is $699, $549, $699, $899 here. So this is Canon 77D. I sold 28 of them and brought in $19,000 to Amazon. See if we've got any higher ones. Yeah, $899 here for the Canon T7i kit. 15 of them. And I just made $456 just off reviewing that camera. So that was pretty cool. That is the Amazon Associates program. It's definitely the number one that I would sign up for if you guys are interested in affiliate marketing and you're just getting started. It's a real winner. You just need to be consistent with it. And I'll try and make some more videos on it. If you guys would be interested in me giving you some tips, I'm would happily help you with that. So the next one is the Shopify affiliate program. Now this is promoting Shopify, which if you guys don't know, Shopify is a way in which you can sell your own products online. So it's essentially creating an e-commerce website, and Shopify is the biggest now. It used to be websites like Magento and kind of WooCommerce where you could build websites, but now Shopify is the number one. For good reason. It's a fantastic place to build a website. It's very easy and it costs around about $29 a month to get into the to create a website. And that number there is quite important because what you will learn is that from that $29 a month, if you are a affiliate of Shopify and you refer someone to a free trial and then they end up signing up, you actually get the first 2 months of their what they're paying as an affiliate commission. So $29 times 2 is, I think, $58. Yeah, you can see here, earn an average of $58 for anyone who signs up. Now you also get $2,000 if someone signs up with a kind of enterprise version, but mainly you're going to be getting around about that much. Actually, you can get there's a tier above that, and I think you make around about $150 or so with that one, which is quite good. So this is really good if you are kind of in the entrepreneur niche or business niche. You can do a review of Shopify or something, or just send it out to people. If you want, I can show you my back end of the Shopify affiliate program, and I'll show you how much I've actually made. Now, I've only been doing this one since around about October, I think, last year. And you can see that this month, this is just for the last 30 days, I've had 440 people sign up for a trial, and I've had 1,295 clicks. So it's actually not that much compared to my Amazon, which I think I was getting around about 3,000, 4,000 people going to Amazon a day. On this one here, it's 1,295. So with the earnings though, you can see, so from this 440 signups and just these 1,295 clicks, I've actually made over $4,400 in the last 30 days through this affiliate program, which is just crazy. $310 this day, $337, $220, $282, and yeah, a lot of these are around about $200, $150, which is really cool. So these are the conversions. So a conversion is when someone's come from a trial and then gone into a paid program. And if we go here and we take a look at the last 365 days, in fact, I haven't been a member of this program since for 365 days. We can take a look. You can actually see the progression. This is pretty sweet, this little chart. I'm pretty proud of this actually, how it goes up and up and up and up. You can see that I built up slowly with the Shopify affiliate program, and this is something that you guys can do as well. $334 that month in October, $1,300 in November, $2,200 December, $2,800 January, $3,100 in February, $3,600 in April, $4,100 in May, and then a little dip here in June, $3,600, but then we've gone back up again to $4,400 in July, and then August, $4,400, and then in September, we're only 6 days in, but we've already made nearly $1,000 in September, which is pretty sweet. So the Shopify affiliate program is pretty cool. I really like this program. I like the back end. I know it's a funny thing, but I actually really like the back end, and I think it makes a big difference if the website has a good kind of affiliate page. We can check out the payouts here, which is essentially when I get paid. If we go back to the very start, so you can see I started this in November, and I made $58, which was pretty good because I wasn't exactly sure. So you can see that that's one person signed up in the first month. And then this is every 2 weeks. So Shopify pay you every 2 weeks with their affiliate program. And yeah, you can see that this is, it's been going out, and you kind of just get these PayPal emails. In fact, I can show you right here. I'll open up my email account. I actually think I just got paid by PayPal today through Shopify. I'll bring that up in a second. Let's have a quick look. I'll show you in a second. But anyway, you get paid by PayPal every 2 weeks through Shopify, so it's pretty sweet. Let's just have a quick look here. Apologies for the slowness. So here is the PayPal. Here you go. Shopify have sent you $2,397. There you go. It's kind of cool. There you go. I like getting these. So yeah, so the Shopify affiliate program is pretty sweet. If you guys would like me to make videos on this, please subscribe, and I'll try and give you some more tips on the Shopify affiliate program. Now, another program that you could look into is Bluehost. Now, I'm not going to go into as detailed kind of talking about these ones here because this video is getting a little bit long, but Bluehost is a really good one as well for starting affiliates because there's a lot that you can talk about. Essentially, if you guys don't know what Bluehost is a website where you can host your own website essentially. So they offer hosting mainly for WordPress. I think that's one of the biggest products that they offer, and you can also buy domains. So I know that a lot of people like to use Bluehost because you actually earn $65 US for each person who signs up. So it's really fantastic, and I'm pretty sure that they also have recurring payments. Well, I would expect that they would have recurring payments, but maybe they don't actually. Let's have a quick look. No, I'm not exactly sure if they have recurring payments, but if not, $65 for a sign up is really good. That's actually more than the Shopify one that you get. So Shopify, it was $58. Bluehost is $65, which is also really quite good. We'll just run through these other ones a little bit quicker. Another one that I like is ConvertKit. Definitely check out ConvertKit. This is actually Pat Flynn, who is he's a fantastic entrepreneur who has the Smart Passive Income blog, and he's got a really good YouTube channel as well. He actually helped me out trying to figure out some of the best ways to do affiliate marketing, so give him a follow. But with ConvertKit, essentially what it is a website which can do all of your marketing. So you can do your email marketing, like landing pages and things like that. And with this, you're going to get a 30% commission recurring. So if you guys don't know what recurring means, it means if someone signs up at the very first time, you don't just get a one-time bounty bonus. Essentially, if they're going to pay $100 a month for this service, you're going to get $30 a month for as long as they are a member, which is really cool. So you can see if we go down here, let's say one account is for 1,000 subscribers that they sign up for, which is quite small. You make $8.70. But if you get a few more accounts, so let's say you get 50 people signing up, you're going to be making $435 a month recurring for as long as they're all signed up, which is, with these kind of things, a lot of people do sign up quite a lot. So it also says this scale shows commission for referrals on the lowest monthly plan. You can actually make much more, especially if people have a much higher kind of plan. Another one that I really like is the MailerLite affiliate program. MailerLite, again, is quite similar to ConvertKit. It's a bit more mail based, so it's for getting people to be on your mailing list, and then you can send out like automated things. Again, with this one, it's 30% commission, so recurring commissions. Again, they have quite a nice little dashboard. It's quite basic, but I like that. And you can get those recurring commissions again. And one of the great things with kind of email programs, and that's why we're also going to talk about the last one here, which is Aweber, is that these people generally stick with their mailing program for a really long time because they're kind of tied in with their the people who are subscribed to them. So let's say that they have 1,000 people on their mailing list to start off with. Generally, people aren't going to leave because they might build that up to 10,000 or 100,000 people, and then they're going to, they're not just going to throw that all away. So you're going to continue getting those commissions. And let's say that they start off with a plan that costs $30 and you might make $5 off it. If they end up getting to 100,000 people on their mailing list, you're going to end up making a whole lot more. You might be making $300 a month off them. So that's definitely one of the best ways. The last one was Aweber, very similar to MailerLite and ConvertKit, but this is a big player. This is one of the biggest ones that you can have. Recurring 30% referral payments, no cost to sign up. It was really easy to sign up with these guys for an affiliate program, and that's definitely one that you can check out. Now, I'll try and put links to everything in the description box below if you guys want to sign up to apply for any of these affiliate programs, but definitely good luck if you're going to be doing it. As you can see, you can really have a lot of fun, and you can make a good amount of money. All right, so there were some of the best affiliate programs for beginners, and good luck if you are going to be starting into the world of affiliate marketing. I've been doing it for probably 7 or 8 years now, and I really do enjoy it, and it can be very, very profitable if you know a few of the best tips and tricks. That's it for today, guys. Good luck if you are going to be starting affiliate marketing, and I hope you have a fantastic and successful career.